Welcome to Bits and Neon. Today we are exploring how to make your own brand using a singer prompt on Firefly. Let's get started. Simply go to the Firefly website and then click on the Create option on the left side of the interface. After that, select Extra Image option from the multiple options available including video and sounds. Then simply copy the prompt and go back to your Firefly website and set the aspect ratio according to your poster or design requirements. I set my ratio according to my poster, which is 3:4. After that, I pasted the prompt and that I decided to change my poster size, which is in standard size 4:5 ratio. Click on the generate option now and wait for a few seconds for the image to be created. After that, you can see images here now. Then simply go to the download option and download the image without any watermark, and that's it. I have created a brand identity using Firefly with just one prompt. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned for part 2 and thanks for watching.